Good morning, friends. In the last lecture, we have discussed about the what are the magnet types of magnet and then the different terms related to the magnetism. In this lecture, we are going to see what is meant by a magnetic circuits and important definition related to the magnetic circuits. So, first, what is meant by magnetic circuits? Magnetic circuit is defined as a closed path followed by a magnetic line of force. Okay, see here in the figure is given. This is the a closed path followed by the flux lines. Okay, this is known as the magnetic circuit. Okay, like a electrical circuit, the path followed by the current in the same manner, the path followed by the flux lines, that is the closed path. This is the most important. The closed path followed by the flux lines is known as the magnetic circuits. Okay, and the second is the magnetomotive force. Okay, so what is meant by magnetomotive force? The force is responsible for generation of flux or flow of flux is known as the magnetomotive force. The magnetic field strength is decided by this magnetomotive force. The magnetic field strength is decided by this magnetomotive force. This magnetomotive force is denoted by a F, capital letter F, and measured in the ampere turns. So MEMF is equal to N into I, number of turns into the current. Okay, where N is the number of turns in the turns of the magnetizing coil, and I is the current in ampere. So magnetomotive force is defined as the force is responsible for generation of flux or the flow of flux. Okay. Then the next is the reluctance. What is meant by reluctance? Reluctance is defined as the oppositions to the flow of flux in a material, like a resistance. Resistance is like a reluctance. Resistance in electrical circuit and reluctance in the magnetic circuits. Okay. So what is the reluctance? Reluctance is opposition to the flow of flux in the material, and it is denoted by letter S, capital S, and S is equals to, it is given by S is equals to K into L upon A, where K is the constant of proportionality and L is the length of magnetic circuits in a meter, and A is the area of cross section in the meter square. S is equals to KL by A, where S is yes, that is reluctance is also can be defined as it is the ratio of MMF, that is magnetomotive force, to the flux, where MMF is given by N into I upon phi, where unit is the ampere turns per Weber. Okay, so next is the permeance. Permeance is the reciprocal of reluctance. Permeance is defined as the reciprocal of reluctance, and unit is given by Weber per ampere turns. Then the next we will see the comparison between magnetic circuits and electrical circuits, because electrical circuit and magnetic circuits are two are the analogous quantity. In electrical circuit, current flows. Okay, current, that is flow of electrons through the conductor and measured in the ampere. Similarly, in case of circuit, in case of magnetic circuit, flux, that is the line of force through a medium N pole to S pole and measured in the Weber. In electrical circuit, EMF is the driving force. EMF is the driving force. In magnetic circuit, MMF is the driving force. In case of electrical circuit, resistance oppositions to the flow of current in conductor and measured in ohms. In case of magnetic circuit, reluctance is the opposition to the flow of flux and measured in the ampere turn per Weber, where resistance is directly proportional to the length of conductor, where reluctance is directly proportional to the length of magnetic path. Here, the current is given by EMF upon resistance, where in case of magnetic circuit, flux is given as the EMF upon reluctance. In case of electrical circuit, conductance is the reciprocal of resistance. In case of magnetic circuits, permeance is the reciprocal of reluctance. Okay, hence we have discussed here the comparison between magnetic circuits and electrical circuit and the analogy between magnetic and electrical circuits. Okay, thank you.